Hello lovely, I'm super excited to bring you this video. Today we are planning using the snowflake kit. I used some of the elements that you loved from last year's kit and gave it some new designs and new clip art that I found that I thought just made it look even cuter than before. Let's get started. So if you've ordered from me before, then you know that all of our stickers come in these gorgeous frosted envelopes with a little label in the bottom right corner letting you know what kit and collection it's from. And we're going to start by placing all of the headers along the top row. They all say today. And as I place those, I'm going to tell you why I'm doing this video. Granted, it is a plan with me, but it's not just any old plan with me. It's a collaboration with the super wonderful Celeste Rochelle over at Mystic Magnolia. If you haven't checked out her videos before, go ahead and do so. She is amazing. Her Facebook page and group, her Facebook group really is amazing, so you really want to get in there. Her YouTube channel is so cool. I love watching her videos and the way that she plans, and that's why we were doing this collab, is so that you can see different styles of planning. I'm very much structured and I go from top to bottom, kind of in the same color scheme, but I really like how creative she is and how she uses stickers, and yeah, I could go on and on in this video just talking about how awesome she is, but we're going to keep going with this video. As you can see, I just removed a sticker and put it back down because I do use removable paper. I make a lot of mistakes, and I know I have one customer who's like, I'm so happy it's removable because I've ripped up my planner so much when you're in a rush and you don't want to go get the glue gun and all that kind of stuff. And that is my favorite full box, the one with the antlers and the little bells and the little green plan, and it's just so pretty. It's all frosted and cute. And I am after placing the full boxes, I'll go through and place the to-do headers across the midsection. I'm going to tell you a quick story about why I decided to bring the snowflake kit back as well. Oh my goodness, I just put my head in the camera. Ignore that, but you can tell I really got into this plan with me. When I was in high school, I went to high school in Washington State. And right now I live in Alaska. I've lived in Alaska all my life, but for a few years in high school, I was in Washington State, and I almost cried when I found out that there was not going to be any snow for Christmas. So I came back to visit family in Alaska, so I finally got my snow, but I wanted to have a sticker kit that kind of has a piece of my heart in it because I love snow. I love the whole winter wonderland feel in Alaska when it is Christmas. I haven't had a Christmas without snow, but just going through that whole December holiday feels, listening to the music before Christmas and all the prep, that's what I was really missing. And I seriously, did I cry? I don't know if I cried, but I almost cried. I was like on the verge of tears knowing that I wasn't going to have a lot of snow for Christmas or the Christmas season. So that's why, another reason why I brought back the snowflake kit, because snow has a really near and dear place in my heart. Okay, let's recap what we did while I was telling that story. I put all the check boxes across the midsection, placed the weekend banner slanted across the planner. It does fit perfectly if you put it horizontally, but I like switching it up every once in a while. Then along the bottom of the planner, I did place the bottom washi, and now I'm going through and placing green headers along the bottom. I know I'm switching it up. I typically keep the same color all the way down, but decided to do something just slightly different. Still in my structuredness, so it's like a controlled structure. I know some people are a lot more creative are probably like, oh my goodness, lady, okay. But I do like the way that looks with the really dark border along the bottom. I think it looks really cool. So now, just going to go through the rest of the pages. I know I'm a little sick. I don't know if you heard my voice cracked slightly there, but I've been trying to get over this and it's taking forever. We are placing a label down on there with a nice little icon from our little icon duos on the website. If you use the link below to get your snowflake kit, you will also unlock some really cool discounts, and they're only offered if you use the link below, so don't miss out on it to get your discounts that way. And now just placing some from the fun sticker kit as well. So let me explain this. Let me back up a little bit. So I have icon duos where there's 4 sets of icons for this kit. And there's also the fun set of stickers that is also in the same color scheme. So they all work really nicely together. So they complement the snowflake kit just perfectly. And the only way to unlock the deals for the icon duos and the fun sticker trio is by using the link below or going to ladymora.com/snowflake, and that's how you will unlock those deals. So it's unlocked once you get a planner sticker kit and free shipping. Can't beat that, can ya? So it's still all free shipping, you unlock deals, and it's all just good. And we are placing in the goals section the solid green headers, then the nice deer full box, and then some of the glitter headers that is in that same deep forest green, and then another full box because you do get extra full boxes with this one and extra headers with this. It's just something that I do each time I do the I changed it out so that this was all glitter header on this side, which does make sense. I was wondering, I was like, what was I doing? But now I see I took it off and put the glitter header. I like that a lot better, even when watching it back. If you like that video, make sure to head over to Celeste's video. It will be to the right of your screen or in the description box below. I'll have a link so that you can see how Celeste uses the snowflake kit in her planner. I think she uses an Erin Condren planner, which is really cool because you get to see how to plan in different planners.